What are the 7 C's of digital content strategy? 1. Customer. Any marketing model must place the customer at the center. Internet marketing offers many opportunities for marketers. However, it is important to know your customers well before moving forward. The behavior of customers is changing dramatically. During each stage of the sales process, you expect rapid, transparent communication. Adapting new behaviors, technologies, strategies, etc. to support your business success is your responsibility as a marketer. You shouldn't try to sell to everyone, which is why you should improve your online marketing. You need to know your client, their needs, their shopping habits, and their online communities. As a result, you must know everything about your customer online. 2. Convenience. With their ability to shop at any time, power has gradually shifted from retailers to consumers. Advanced technology makes it easy for consumers to shop on their mobiles and tablets on the train, bus, and at work. Convenience elements. Access to a variety of products with adaptive and responsive websites. Keep track of all previous orders, so you can repeat earlier purchases if you're rushed. And order confirmation with delivery details. In B2B and B2C, these elements differ slightly, but the basic idea is the same. 3. Competition. Some changes occur almost overnight in this developing environment. However, technology gives competitors and new marketers the chance to observe tampering. Predicting what would happen next is not always possible. There are no limits to technology, since products are available on any website at any time. Also, digital marketing strategies have changed thanks to technology. Single channel strategy. It involves only one marketing channel. Channel migration strategy. Clients switch from one channel to another after you convince them to do so. Integrated multi-channel strategies. You customize multimodal channels to meet diverse client needs. Disintermediation. Eliminating middlemen. 4. Communications. Organic search engine optimization and social media are arguably the most significant changes digital media brings. We have witnessed a significant transformation in communication into inbound marketing. The traditional one-way form of communication on social media has turned into a two-way and multi-party conversation. Businesses lose a lot of control because other people influence their message online. Nowadays, a sharp, to-the-point posting is preferred over pages of brochures with elegant text. An online content audit is the best method to assess your communications. The following methods of communication emphasize the content. Less text, more images. Try out new media formats and social media platforms. Takeaways. Voice tone. It's also good for analyzing your competitors. 5. Consistency. Consistency is straightforward. The key is to provide the same level of service everywhere. In other words, you must maintain consistency across all channels, from blogs to emails to social media. No matter which channel you use for customer service, you must maintain the same standards and levels of service. 6. Creative content. Bloggers and internet marketers tend to neglect updating their websites. It's more important than ever to update your content regularly to stay visible online thanks to Google's algorithm changes. Customers nowadays seek information on other platforms such as social media, YouTube, etc. In any case, your company's website should always be the first place to go. Turn your attention to the various review sites, review plugins, and other platforms you can use to collect customer feedback. It's a great way to convert hesitant clients and increase client loyalty, as long as you're ready to resolve any concerns as soon as they arise. In addition to video, infographics, and downloadable instructions, there are other types of creative materials. 7. Customization. Several websites offer customized web experiences. One of the best-known examples is Amazon. When you return to the website, it greets you with recommendations, suggests additional items you might like based on your shopping patterns, etc. Technology has made it easier to personalize. Having data at our disposal helps us in our efforts as marketers.